Hello everybody, and today we're playing burping simulator. Burping simulator. Let's see how much I can burp, or will I turn into that bacon here? Let's see. So this is how Bonnie really is, guys. Say, where are you? Huh. Drink. Huh. Wow. Burn for burp. Burp. Whoa, that looks almost like a bandit. Ooh. Yes. Burp. Let's drink some Bloxy Cola. Ooh, okay, let's burp on this guy. Yeah! Oh no. Run away! Ew, that's gross. I drink. Oh. See how the burp. Yeah, I'm gonna burp on you, sucker. Oh god, I got run. I'm gonna die. Oh! You burped on me, did you? Let's drink. Oh god. Who burp on you? What the? That guy's burp is strong. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. When I lost connection, the burp was so strong. Run away. Yeah. Run away. There he is. Yeah. Hey. Oh god. Getting burped out. Holy. Move. Run away! Run! Oh, what? That's right, run away! This Bloxy is my man. He said Got ya. I wanna get her, get her. You ready? You ready? No! You escaped. Yeah. Have a drink. Hey, Molly the drunk. Oh god, I can stop. Oh! We got. Ah, we died. No. Gotta get out. He's Whoa! She went flying. Oh yeah. Let's test out my broke. 70 points. Let's go. By the flicker trash. Ah, he's coming to me. Run out. Oh, him again. You. Come and get me. Please. Run away. Run away. Yeah, run away. That's right. Run away. Okay, that's all we got for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And bye. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye.